What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you'll be taking off your door panel on a Chevy Traverse. It's probably the same for about the 2009 to about the 2017. Also, I'm going to be showing you what you would need if you want to change out your speakers that's in the Chevy Traverses. They seem like they have a known issue of speakers going bad pretty much inside of them. This right here, what I have, is actually one of the factory speakers that was in the vehicle, which is a 6x5. So if you want to change out this speaker right here with some new speakers, what you would want to get is a 6x5 speaker, which is what I have right here. And also what you're going to have to get is a mount. You see this part right here? This is a mount. This is a mount pretty much that's on this. I had to add to this speaker right here to allow it to fit into the Chevy Traverse opening. And you can see right here on the original speaker, it has like this big thick part on it that has this same plate on here, but it's actually built into one piece with the speaker itself. So when you get an aftermarket speaker, which you'll need is a 6x5, which is what this is, and you'll also want to get the mount. So wherever you order it from, you want to tell them that you need to get the Chevy Traverse mount that's going to allow you to install this 6x5 into your Chevy Traverse. And also, you need to get basically an adapter, which is what this is right here. So you see this piece right here, that way when you take out your other speaker pretty much, all you'll have to do is take this piece, plug it into the power harness, the signal harness that's going to your original speaker, and then plug these two ends onto the back of this speaker and you'll be good. So like I said, you'll have to get the mount. That pretty much is simple to do. You put the speaker inside of this mount. You see, as I did right here, you put these 4 screws inside of it. I got like the cover of the speaker with the screw going through the cover, through the speaker, and then mounting it to this mount right here, which was a separate piece. Then, like I said, you want to get this connector. So wherever you buy your speakers at, you would just tell them that you have a Chevy Traverse. You need the 6.5 inch speakers to go inside of it, as well as you're going to need the mount. So you can mount it, which is going to look like this shape on the outside of it, which is the mount. You can see like this one, the way it looks, almost kind of like a spade or something like that. And also you're going to need to get your connector, which is what this is. So they should have it for you. Just tell them what you need and they should give you this. It just basically plugs onto the back of your new speaker. Then you'll take this in and plug it into your actual signal or your source when it's coming off of your truck itself. So now I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel and how to install this. It's a pretty simple process. Alright folks, now that I'm outside on the Chevy Traverse, I'm working on a door panel. To remove your door panel, what you'll have to do is you'll look right here behind where you will open up the door at. There's like some little spots inside of there. If you can see it, you gotta take it's better if you take like a pick or something and kind of hooks to where you can pop it in and then it will pop it out like that. You want to remove this piece right here from out of here. There's little pieces on it like that, so you're kind of popping it out. And then once you do that one, you want to come down here and you have the same thing. You just take, I got a flathead screwdriver for this one. Take a flathead, stick in that little gap and just pop it up like that, and that piece will come out like that. And once you have those out, now what you'll have is I believe it's a T10 torque bit pretty much. You just want to take that and take out this screw right here. Pretty much come out. After you remove that screw, you will come down here. If you look down here good, you'll see there's 2 screws inside of there. It takes the same size. Just want to turn. As you can see in there, you'll have 2 screws inside of here you want to take out. This whole job to change out your speakers, it's a pretty simple job. It may take you no more, especially if you go ahead and kind of get your speakers together pretty much inside before you come out. But yeah, you take that out, and once you do that, next what you got to do is kind of reach around. Come over here. You kind of want to reach around to like your siding like that. You want to take something, you don't want to damage the vehicle. I'm just using this metal piece. So you kind of sometimes take a second for you to get like something behind it, but once you got that, you just kind of want to pop out like that. pop it out all the way around on this and pop that out right there. Kind of want to pop that piece out, and then come up here. You got another clip up here. Kind of want to pop that out like that. Once you do that, once you got everything out, then you kind of just want to lift up just like that, and your door panel be off. And if you could look inside of here, come over here, you'll have like your power harnesses. These are things that's going to your speaker right here, as well as if you come right in here, you'll see where you have, hold on, if you come right in here, get you a better angle. If you come in here, you'll see right here where you have your cable pretty much that goes to your door. What you want to do with that is take like a flathead screwdriver or something like that. Just push that rubber piece back out of that opening right there. You can see that. You kind of just want to push that out of that opening and then pull this piece out, and you can remove the whole door panel. But for what I'm doing, I don't need to actually remove that because I'm just changing out the speaker down here. Alright, so if you can see better right now, I have somebody holding the door panel up. I just basically unplugged some of like the little things right here, but just to make it a little bit more clearance. But basically you can see the speaker right here in case it's what you're changing out. And all you're going to be doing basically is taking a socket. It happens to be a size 7 right here on this top screw. Trying to do it. Yeah, just take that screw out right here. It's one screw, and once you do that, you pretty much, your speaker may have like the glue on it that'll be kind of holding it some. So all you gotta do is just pull it back away from it and it'll come loose. I'm gonna show you that in a second. Here, just one screw. And once you take that out, now keep that screw because you'll be putting it back in. Now you just want to pull your speaker. See how it's kind of got glue on it? Kind of want to just pull it away like that. And once you do that, see how it come out? And you see back here, I have my power harness right here. So I'm going to be unplugging this right here and plugging it into the back of the connector that I got on the other speaker, and then pretty much installing a new speaker back in the same way. Putting this little piece right here at the bottom and putting that one screw back in the top, and pretty much you're done. Alright folks, you can see now I got the speaker back in pretty much. I put the one screw in back here, I plugged it back up, and I'm pretty much good to go. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would remove a door panel for 2009 to about the 2017, I'm pretty sure, Chevy Traverse. Please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.